Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Huringar@10. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Steel Authority of India Limited, SAIL, SAIL. That is the ticker name of the stock, and what you are watching is the monthly technical chart, and this is the historical price chart of the Steel Authority of India Limited stock, and these are all the indicators and their respective graphs, generated for doing the technical analysis, and we have data for the stock since 2014 onwards up to 2017 November 18. Okay, if you look at the historical price pattern, the stock had reached its peak price as per the data what we are having. It reached its peak price in June 2014 June 2014, and that time it was trading at 113 rupees, nearly 112 and 113 rupees. So after that, the stock went down, making new lows, and this is the bottom lowest point that the stock had reached that time in February 2016. The stock had reached its recent bottom price, the lowest bottom, and at that time it was trading at 32 rupees 82 price. And after that, if you see the trend, it started making new highs, right? If you look at the, if you look, just forget about this left side side, and look at the right side, focus on the right side, and if you see after this February 2016, you can clearly see I'm keeping the crosshairs here for your understanding. On every new high, new high 1, new high 2, 3, 4, okay, up to April 2017, it was the stock was making new highs, and after that it broke into some small sideways movement, and again in November 2017, again it is going up. The good thing about the stock is, first thing, this stock started moving up. That is one thing, and second thing, it started making a new highs every time, and third thing, it had come out of that negative super trend mode, and now it entered the positive super trend mode. And the next thing, this stock had recently crossed in October. It had crossed its both 50 and 20-day moving averages. That's good. Now the relative strength of the stock is also picking up. You can see the graph slightly moving upward here, right? So it is, though it is not sitting on top of the 80 line, but still it is about to brush. Let's see. And the direction strength of the stock is also increasing, and you can see the divergence between both the positive and negative direction lines, which is very good. Direction directly proportional to the direction strength of the stock here, and the direction strength is moving in the upward direction. That means the strength is strong. The movement is strong. The direction movement is strong here. Stochastics is okay, below the midpoint, but I mean, okay, now the positive line, the fast line is on top of the slow line, which is good, but is not at the benchmark expectation level. And if you look at the price volume, suddenly there is a spike after September 2017. Suddenly there is a spike in the price volume, which you can clearly see. Look at the tip that looking in the upward direction. If you look at the momentum is playing on top of the baseline, which is good, and momentum is also slightly rising. I'm keeping the crosshairs here so that you can look at the tip. Okay, this tip is slightly rising here. More or less, it is a parallel line, but but okay, kind of thing. And balance of power is clearly bullish, and elder ray is supporting that one, right? So both balance of power, elder ray, and price volume, all three are in sync with each other. It clearly shows that the stock is moving in upward direction. Very good. We can take this stock for. I mean, we can consider this stock for long-term investment. And there is an opportunity. There is a chance that the stock may reach, or at least it will cross its previous peaks. I don't think 112 at this moment, in this moment. I mean, not immediately, but the stock is a very slow moving stock. So it is like, it may go up to, it is almost 78. It may go up to, even if it reach 90 by 2018 January, that itself is a big thing for the stock before it goes for some sort of consolidation. So 90 is the price that I'm expecting. At least in this this candle. I mean, at least in November, December. By December or January 2018, by the end of January 2018, at least I am keeping that much time span for the stock, because it's a very slow moving stock. That is the reason I'm taking this much time. Two more months already. This is November, so I'm taking 60 more days for the stock to go up to 90, to reach 90 before it enters the consolidation phase. So that is the thing. Okay, guys, the conclusion for the stock is the stock can be considered a long-term investment. right now. Actually, just under the bullish phase. So we can consider this stock because after a long time it has come out of the negative super trend, and right now just now it entered the positive super trend, and just now it entered the even bullish phase also, and even the momentum is okay, price volume is okay, strength is also slowly picking up, direction strength is it's okay. So all these things, all the guiding points are in the I mean pointing towards the positive direction only. So we can consider this stock for long term perspective. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.